Right, so this is the video walk round for our 1983 Vespa PX 200E. This is the crossover edition, so it mixes the parts from the PX Mark 1 and the later EFL model. So it's got the 20mm front fork spindle, it's got the autolube system, and it's got the underseat panel hooks. So it still keeps some of the original Mark 1 features. So it has the Mark 1 rear light, it has the smaller toolbox, it's got the Mark 1 headset with the smaller speedo, the warning lights in the headset and the key ignition. It's also got the later EFL toggle switches rather than the ones underneath. It keeps the Mark 1 horn cast. This was imported from Italy in 1990, I believe, and it sat unused for 15 or so years, and then Rich Tyler picked it up, one of the leading Vespa restorers in the country from Birmingham, and he's repainted it in the original Azzurro Fiordo blue. As you can see, it's just a stunning scooter all around. So everything's as it should be on this. The only upgrades that have been done is there's a Malossi 210 Sport, top end fitted, and a SIP road exhaust. So we'll fire it up and we'll take it for a quick spin. So keys on the ignition. Ignition on the headset rather. We'll put the petrol on. Choke. You see the auto lubes in here, so there's no need to mix the two-stroke in the tank. Off so you can see how good it is. Okay, so lights all working. Indicators. So you can see that the idle's fine, collection's okay, right point on the collection third. Brakes only, front brakes working perfectly. It's still the drum brake on this one. Rear brake's working perfectly. So I'm just going to try and adjust this and I'll open it up a bit. Actually, while we pulled over, there's one thing that I forgot to say about the detail of the restoration, so I'll just show you that. So this is a reproduction seat. So if you have this before, you'll know that it always runs the paint on the sides here. So this has actually been widened, the seat frame. It's a proper handmade in Italy seat, but it's been widened so it doesn't catch on the frame here, so it'll not run. But you can see how clean the speaker is all round. That's why I've left the panels off so you can just see. Okay, so let's open it up a bit. Okay, so just pull over a second. So as you'll be able to see from that ride, it selects through all the gears perfectly. I'm on an industrial estate here, so I can't really get past 50 miles an hour, but should be good for 60, 65 to sit, 2 up. And there she is, 1983 Vespa PX 200E crossover model with the best of both worlds from the EFL and the Mark 1. We'll fire her back up, get her back to the unit. There we go, so just before I take her in, you can see that there's been 2,699 miles since the restoration. I've probably done about 50 of those. Is there anything else worth mentioning on it? So it's MOT and tax exempt, this scooter. I suppose I didn't tell you that as well as the other Mark 1 bits, it's got the rubber centre mat instead of the horrible plastic one. And that's about it really. You should be able to see how clean it is. There she is, so good luck everyone. The live draw for this one is on Thursday, Thursday the 30th of May. So good luck.